You know, looked into London's finest gamer. So today we're gonna do like a quick video. I'm going to do a few cosmetic changes. I'm gonna change these stickers here, probably upgrade them to something new, maybe add some more decals somewhere. I'm not a big decal person, so in my head I don't exactly know where it's supposed to go. First I'm going to start off by washing this bike. I haven't washed it in so long. It's filthy. I can see grit on my chain. Don't know if you can see that, but like there's grit all here. That's so bad, so bad. I'm going to clean all of this. It's kind of starting to rust. I've got a toothbrush, so this is going to take the longest process to do. I'm going to give it a good clean. I'm going to see if I've got coolant and top that up a bit more. I got a new tank pad. I lost this on freaking track day, and that's what happened. These little things here. This is what I use. Ingenious idea. Velcro, very cheap. Just stick my phone down. I'm gonna remove this stick, I believe, or maybe I keep it. I'm not sure. I kind of like the red accent on it. I need to maybe place this a little bit more here or something. I need to figure it out. I like where my phone is. I might not touch that, but I guess we'll see. Maybe we'll get something here and here. I really need to change this. This has been on here since I bought the bike. It's like pointless. I need to double wrap it or something. I don't know, but yeah, it's just a quick video. But it's an update actually, because I'm going to add the other footage after. So I'm going to wash the bike. Oh, and those of you who want to know how I'm washing the bike, let's just go over here quickly. Need to bend down. So I got clean water, and that I'm going to put some muck off. I'm going to put some washing fluid, majiggy bobs, in there. So I'm going to be using brushes, toothbrush. I'm going to brush my teeth afterwards, don't worry. And then I'm going to give it a good scrub. These are supposed to be white, so I'm going to try and get them white. So yeah, this is going to be a tedious process. I'll update you guys after. Peace. This is a very long update. So I started cleaning yesterday about maybe 3 o'clock, and it hit 9, 10, 11 o'clock. It was so bad. My advice, whoever wants to buy a bike or has a bike, never do them white. This was the longest process to try and get it white. Even then it's not that great. I'll show you the stickers as well while I'm down here. It's not that great. I used degreaser, I'll show you in a second, and a couple WD-40. I just need to clean there because I lubed my chain, so I need to clean that. But I put the Yamaha here, and if we spin around, you got it on the other side as well. So the Yamahas are there, which I think kind of looks cool. I'm really happy with this. I had no idea how to do this. YouTube tutorial tools don't show how to do this. So I called a good friend of mine, showed me how to peel this off and stick that on. I love this. This looks hard on the black. And then I just put this on literally now, the Alpine Stars. I just really wanted some Alpines on there, hence why it's there. I didn't really know where else to place them. I was gonna put a K&N here. Actually, I'll show you where I was gonna put the others in this video. So we'll just walk around. This was my friend, he put on. I kind of like it. It looks nice. I don't have that exhaust Termagon in. I can't even say that. And Yoshimura. I got nothing Yoshimura, but no one needs to know. I have a carbureted bike, so I can say I've got jet kits. But I'm not gonna do that. Let's just walk around. Here is my GoPro mount, and those of you who subscribed to me for a long time, this meant a lot to me. Now the number is a bit too big. Because you see it runs off a little bit here off the thingy, but I don't mind. And it might not look centered, but it's because the number's at an angle, it's the centered I can get it as possible. And Sufyan is my son, Inna Lillahi wa Inna Ilayhi Raji'un, who passed away. Those of you who subscribe to me know I've done a video about that. just explaining and stuff. So that's meaningful. 24 was never my number, but it is now, because that was the day he was born. So 24, and then I have his name. Anyways, I was going to put another sticker here, but I really like my paint job, so I didn't do that. I was going to put an Alpine here, but I like my windscreen, so I'm just going to leave it the front as it is. Yeah, the tyres bent, don't flame me for that. Then we go round, it's the same Yoshimura and Tamagoni, the Acro exhaust, and again I've done the Alpine star here. Literally just put it on, so I don't want to press it too hard. And then I got the Acropov, which I really like this sign. I'm happy I got the can, and obviously you see the Yamaha thing here. Bucket of water was not needed, but this is what I use to clean the grease of my motorcycle. I'm going to use a little bit more, because during this video I just saw on the other side of the wheel had a little bit of speckle, so I'm just going to rub it down quickly. Actually, I might actually show you that if I have a minute. So yeah, I used that, and I just used, this is very dry, it's not really that dirty, I shouldn't leave it on the floor, but I just used that. I didn't need water, I just sprayed that on and just wiped it off. I'll show you in a second. Let me go around, back down. Oh, and I put this on, the tank pads. That was on for track day. I've never had this in my life. It's amazing, it's a miracle, it feels wicked. I'm thinking of changing out my mirrors to getting bar end mirrors. I don't want to spend too much money on it, because the next bike I want to get is an R1. But I'm thinking getting of gold bar end mirrors. This one's a bit roughed up. 1 second, sweetheart, 1 second, go that way. Yeah, so I'm making a video, so don't go there, don't go there. So I was gonna put bar ends here and stuff, and let's show you my trusty Sainsbury's bag. Let's just get these out. I'll show you, maybe you guys could tell me where they could be interacting in that. Let's do this. Okay, so this is just an instruction manual that didn't go according well. Alright, I got Mutual, I use Mutual oil, but I don't really care what oil is oil. Just ask any Arab. I'm joking, any Arab people watching this. The K&N, now this was my dilemma. I was thinking of putting this here, I was thinking of putting that there. I don't know if that would look nice. Maybe I might put it on. I'm not too sure. Maybe. What do you guys think? Tell me, and then, because now I know how to peel this off and stick it on, I can kind of do this. I was putting that there, and then another one on the other side. So if I go around, put that one there, about there. Tell me what you think in the comments, if I should do this, because I'm in two minds of doing this or not. So let me know. What else have I got? So let's just put the ones that I've showed you away. Ridgestone I'm not going to use. Anyone want this, you're more than welcome to pay postage and you can have this. NGK, I got spark plugs of NGK, but I got nowhere to put this on. So what else? Brembo and Brembo. I got brakes, but again I don't really know where to put this. I'm not really sure where to put this. 1 second, go over there. I'm not sure where to put this. If you have a suggestion, I was thinking of laying them out there and there, but I like the pearlescent shine when the sun reflects it. It turns the bike purple and brownish, so I don't think I'm going to pull it there. I could pull it on the front guard, but not too sure. What else? Let's put that away. I have a white Yamaha sticker. Again, anyone wants this one, you're more than happy to pay postage and you can have it. I won't charge you for it, even though I spent money, but you can pay postage for it. Brembos, again, I got 2 of each. The Brembos, it's really and truly it's the Brembo. I'm not too sure about the Mutual. Brembo and the K&N. I was just wondering, where should I put the K&N? I'm not 100% sure if I got a K&N air filter in my tank. I mean under my tank. If I do, it makes sense, but if I don't, it still makes sense. I like stickers nowadays. I want a Blue Peter badge. But yeah, what else did I want? Ah, that's it. Let's show you. Let's show you. Let's show you. All right, so I've got my rag, and then you see this. All we're gonna do, we're gonna take the same spray. See, it's dried in. Okay, so it's coming off my hand, but anyways, we're gonna spray that on, slide that on, and it's gone. Obviously, it's not the best job. The kids making noise. It's just an eyesore for me, but I know these are just gonna get dirty anyway, because they're white. Never get white wheels. No matter how much I may like them, just don't get them. Anyways, been in boy London's finest game. I hope you enjoyed the video. Again, to recap, the K&N on the side here, let me know if I should pull it on. Obviously they're not going to be facing the same direction on both sides. One's going to be that way, the other one's going to be that way. So let me know if I should put that on, and if you've got an idea where to put the Brembo, where it's going to look nice, then let me know. I put the Alpines there because I think the black makes the white stand out, and there I like the bottom one. I think the white stands out on the colour of my bike anyway. But yeah, peace.